This card is A for angles. An angle is a turn around a common point or a vertex and is measured in degrees or radians. Types of angles based on their size are acute angles less than 90 degrees, right angles equal to 90 degrees, obtuse angles greater than 90 degrees and less than 180 degrees, and reflex angle greater than 270 but less than 360 degrees. Two angles next to each other with a common point and side are known as adjacent angles. When adjacent angles add up to 90 degrees, they are referred to as complementary angles. And when they add up to 180 degrees, they are supplementary angles. Interior angles are angles in the inside of a polygon, just like the red ones in this triangle. Angles outside the polygon are called exterior angles.